I'm going to show you how to make a silly egg like this one. First we need a cereal box. So we're just going to open out the cereal box and we're going to draw a shape of an egg. If you can't draw a shape of an egg, you can download our sheet and cut out a template and then draw around that. So once you've done that, cut it out. And then with our cardboard egg, we're going to draw an egg design. So you can draw your egg design, or you can just paint it or colour it straight on, whatever you like. Now you can take your time over this and be a lot neater than I am. Once you've finished your egg, then we can attach some eyes. You can either draw eyes on, but we have a template you can download and you can choose which eyes you would like to stick on. I like these ones. So I'm going to get a bit of glue. And stick the eyes on, like so. Now we're going to make some arms and legs. Again, on your template, there are some feet and some hands. You can colour them in any way you like. I think I'm going to keep these white, but I'm going to colour the feet blue. Like so. So just keep them straight while they dry. And while they're drying, we can make the springy arms and legs. For that, what we do is get an A4 bit of paper. It can be coloured or plain white, and then you could colour it in later. And what we're going to do is measure from the top, take the long side, measure 1.5 centimetres down, and cut the strip. And I need 8 strips to make the arms and legs. So once you have enough strips, you take 2 strips, you dab a tiny bit of glue on the end of one of them, and with another one, place it at an angle like this. Let's just move this out of the way, like so. So we have an angle. And once that's dried, I'm going to take it like this, and we're going to fold the top one down over, Then turn it round and do it again. Fold this over, turn it around, fold again, and keep going until it's finished. Then once you're done, you can pull it out and you have a springy arm or leg. You need to make four of these. And then we're just going to attach them to our egg. So you need a bit of sellotape. You're going to attach to here and here for the arms, and here for the legs. Once we've done that, we can then attach, oh look, I've got paint on it. We can attach the hands and the feet. You can spend a bit more time than I have, but there you go. There's your silly egg. All that remains to do is you can just hang it up from your window or decorate your house with them. To hang your silly egg up, use a bit of sellotape and a piece of string and stick it on the back of the egg. Then get a piece of blue tack and pin it up over your window. You could always cut another shaped egg from the template and paint this or colour it in and stick it on the back of the egg, so when it spins around in the wind you can see patterns front and back.